Get excited about the 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, and a split-folding rear seat. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 117-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.